Technology to us is very much an enabler of growth. And we think as technology and innovation occurs across time, you see a step up in growth across economies and therefore companies. Going back over the last 5 years, the Nasdaq to us is a good indicator of the technology segment of the marketplace. You've seen the Nasdaq perform exceptionally well. In fact, around about a 22% annualized return through that period. And again, remembering that through that period, we've seen both COVID as well as a significant shift in interest rates as a result of inflation, which resulted in a 2022 bear market, probably one of the worst bear markets we've seen in a long period of time. So some really strong performance coming out of the technology sector and something that we're really excited about going forward. I guess very topical in terms of what we're seeing in today's market. When is the best time to have a look at investing into these companies and into this technology type boom? The one thing that we keep on reminding ourselves is that markets tend to cycle across time, and you'll have both good and bad periods through those market cycles. It's always important to stop and remind ourselves that generally over a long period of time, and we have data going back 80 to 100 years to look at, over a long period of time, markets tend to go up. And the one thing that we understand is that there will always be these periods in those market cycles where we have bear markets, and that's generally defined as a market going down from peak to trough of a move greater than 20%. You do tend to see these bear markets occur every 5 to 7 years, with the last one being 2022 for us. They do, however, tend to be very short in nature, around about 1.5 years on average, and they tend to be down roughly 30 to 50%, depending on what happens in that particular environment. The interesting thing is that the bull markets, on the other hand, tend to be significantly longer. They tend to last for around about 5 years, and you tend to see them moving up between 2 to 4 times across that period of time. So certainly to us, we've learned through the years that bear markets, although they feel painful and are not comfortable when they occur, are probably very good opportunities to get invested into the marketplace. But also, bull markets tend to occur over long periods of time. We're not saying that you will not see fluctuations and downdrafts in those periods, but certainly we think those downdrafts, again, are good opportunities to get invested.